In this video, I will show you how to sell Bitcoin on OKX Wallet. So first of all, open up your OKX Wallet app. And if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a nice welcome bonus up to $50 in free crypto. So anyway, let's dive into the video. And in order to sell Bitcoin, we're going to our portfolio section at the bottom right. And in here, we're going to scroll down and there we see your crypto. And right now I'm going to click on my Bitcoin. So click on BTC. And in here, I'm going to click on sell. Click on OK. And right now you can enter the amount that you want to sell. And for the ease, I'm going to click on the arrows. So now I can enter an amount of euro to sell. So I'm going to click on max, and this is everything in Bitcoin that I have. So you can also select the receiving method. And right now it is by default set to my balance. So this is just my euro balance because my account is set to euro. But if you have a different method added to your account, you will also be able to choose between that method. So where everything is okay, you can go and click on preview. And in here you will see the fees that you will be paying and a confirmation of your receiving method. And you will see the rate in Bitcoin that you are selling it for. So I'm okay with everything. So I'm going to click on sell BTC. And as you can see, my order is complete and I've successfully sold my Bitcoin. So now I can click on continue to trade. And right now I can see that my balance, my receiving method has been topped up. So now I have no Bitcoin anymore in my account. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.